The clear function associated with a dictionary. The clear function removes all the items from a dictionary. For example, if I write d1 is equal to this dictionary and if I write d1 dot clear, all the items are removed. So if I print D1, you will get an empty dictionary because all the items are removed. But please understand the dictionary D1 still exists, only items are deleted. Another case, say D1 is equal to this dictionary. Let me note it down. D1 equals dictionary 1 colon 10 comma 2 colon 20. 2 colon 20. Now if I write D2 equal to D1, a shallow copy is created, so your D2 is pointing to the same dictionary. If I write D1 dot clear, the contents of D1, all the items of D1, they are deleted. So all these items are deleted, which means D1 is now pointing to empty dictionary, D2 is also pointing to empty dictionary. So both D1 and D2 becomes empty. So if I print D1 comma D2, both are empty. Whereas if I write D1 is equal to this dictionary, let me represent it. D1 equals dictionary 1 colon 10 comma 2 colon 20. 2 colon 20. Now D2 equal to D1, a shallow copy is created, so D2 is pointing to the same dictionary. Now if I write D1 equal to empty curly bracket, only reference is changed, which means this reference is changed to empty dictionary. So now D1 is pointing to empty dictionary. D2 still point to the former dictionary. So if I write print D1 comma D2, only D1 will become empty. D2 is still pointing to the previous dictionary. So please understand, if I write D1 equal to curly bracket, the reference is changed. So now D1 is pointing to an empty dictionary.